Now we look at example 1. Figure below show a triangle PQR. So PQR with the length of PQ is 8 cm. Here is the PQ. Angle of P is 30 degree and the angle of Q is 50 degree. So first find the angle of R. So we need to find this angle of R. So as we all know, triangle is the angle inside the triangle is 180. So here the angle is 180 degree. So angle of R will be equals to 180 minus 30 minus 50 degree. So our angle of R suppose is 100 degree. Next, we want to find the length of PR. So we need to find this length of PR. So the length of PR, the opposite side is 50 degree. Again, you have to remember the side and the angle must be opposite. So let's say. So means that if I want to find the length of PR, so here is B. So let's say PR over the opposite angle is 50 degree. So sine 50 will be equals to, let's say here is 100 degree. So I will use this angle, this side, which is 8 cm. So 8 over sine 100 degree. So by multiply sine 50 to the right hand side, so PR will be equals to 8 over sine 100 degree. So is equals to sine 100 degree multiplied by sine 50. So make sure that in your calculator is in the form of degree, not radian. So make sure that your calculator is in degree. So 8, let's say 8 divided by sine 100 degree. Then we will multiply by sine 50 degree. So the answer will be 6.223 cm. So here is the answer for example 1. Let's move on to example 2. Figure below show a triangle of PQR. So here is a PQR with angle of P 180, QR is 18, and PQ is 7.5 cm. So the question, find the length of PR. So we need to find this length, PR. So there is two methods. Either we want to use cosine rule, we can use cosine rule to find this one, or we can use sine rule. So let's say we try to use sine rule. So if I want to find the length of PR, what I need here is this angle. If I'm going to use sine rule, I need to use the angle of Q. But the problem is, I cannot straightforward to find the angle of Q. The information that I have here, I can find the angle of R because the opposite length is 7.5 cm. After that, I will use 180 minus as the angle of P and R. Then I will get the angle of Q. So let's say first I find the angle of R. So sine R by using sine rule, sine R over the length is 7.5 is equals to sine 120 over 18 cm. So sine R will be equals to sine 120 divided by 18 multiplied by 7.5. So from here, sine 120 divided by 18 multiplied by 7.5. So what I have here is 0.3608. So our R is equal to sine inverse 0.3608. By using your calculator, what you have to do is you have to press for shift and then sine. So you have to press for shift in your calculator and then press sine. Then you should have sine inverse 0.3608. So here the angle is 21.15 degree. So this is the angle of R. So the angle of R here is 21.15 degree. So now I try to find the angle of Q. So our angle of Q will be equals to 180 minus 21.15 and minus 120 degree. So our angle of Q suppose is 180 minus 21.15 minus 120 is 38 point, sorry, 38.85 degree. So since we have the Q, we can find the length of PR. Finally, PR over sine 38.85 will be equals to, let's say here is 18 over sine 120. So PR will be equals to 18 over sine 120 multiplied by sine 38.85 degree. So our PR 18 divided by sine 120 multiplied by sine 38.85. So the answer will be 13.038 cm. So this is the answer for the length of PR.